I mean,
plan?
hey brewers, we're just like it's Christmas or
Don't
like.
swear. It's Christmas. Don't swear in this one.
Oh, we're gonna swear. He's gonna bleep it out. It's gonna make it funny.
Yeah, so it doesn't even count. Like once you bleep it out, hey brewers, it's Friday.
Wait. Is this a fucked up Friday or is this a Merry Christmas shit?
Get it together. Hey brewers.
That will not work. And a one in the end. Okay, no. 3, 2, 1.
Hey brewers. It's Friday. It's the very last Friday.
Forever?
Forever. Like forever.
Must be a fucked up one then.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fucked up until 2024, and then it'll be fine again.
We're almost there.
Yeah, but it's been quite the year of like brewing and doing dumb stuff, and like Paul's been like repping some shit, and I'm not really quite sure what I've been doing.
He fermented Skittles. That's pretty cool.
I fermented Skittles. I fermented agave syrup. I blew up some stuff. Did some watermelon beers, some sour beers.
Put some beer in my glass.
Yeah, like beers. Beers. So it's bourbon.
Words are hard.
Yeah.
This is a vanilla bourbon porter brewed by Brad and maybe me. I don't remember. This was a while back.
No, but I had to like put labels on them so I could get
he
as many
made
as
a
possible.
label for himself. That's how fucked up
That's my
Fridays
gift
are
to
around here.
myself.
He needs to remember to give himself beer that he made. That's not the point. The point is, this is a delicious beer, and we have to give a nod to Denny Con. This is his, or at least a variation
We started with his the first time, like straight up the first time we brewed it, or at least whichever one is in whichever book. And then we sort of adapted it and like changed, tried different types of vanilla, different types of
we did
bourbon over the
maple
years.
bourbon as well, which was also good.
Maple whiskey, bourbon.
Or whiskey, sorry.
They're so picky about what you can call bourbon. But let's drink
open
it.
this beer.
Yeah.
What I was trying to say is that this is a variation of Denny Con's recipe for his vanilla imperial porter or stout. If you Google it, it's up. But big shout out to him. He's been awesome forever. He has a podcast with Drew Beecham and various books, and he's just an all-around good guy. Just wanted to give him a shout out because this recipe is fantastic. You need to try brewing it yourself.
Just trying to get equals it out. Just want to say, lig brew. Just another thing I can't pronounce, but this glass he custom made them for us last Christmas from customer. You know who you are.
Very good customer. You know who you are exactly.
And check out this thing I found. It's my grandpa's like old hunting camp from the 60s. Old Billy. I don't know where I found that, but
it smells
I like
need to
weird
drink
old
this
stuff.
now.
Yeah.
Cheers there, Brad. It's Friday. This is 11.4%. I think I know where things are going to go from here.
Oh, and this is aged a year and 3 months now. That is
That's smooth. That's tasty. I love it.
I'm gonna have
I think what Brad is trying to say is Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Festivus for the rest of us. Thank you all for liking, subscribing to our channel, watching our videos, leaving comments. It helps us make the content you want. We're just super grateful that you're on this journey with us. And that's about all I gotta say.
Yeah, no doubt. Like, just thanks for hanging out. Much love.
Cheers.
I'm already drunk, and after this, I'm gonna be much drunker. I'm gonna be so merry. Look at this. My wife looked at me really weird when I bought this sweater. Now that I'm wearing it, I understand why.
Please like this video if you like Brad's sweater. Cheers.
Woo! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, or
Happy
whatever you want
holidays.
to call it. I don't know if it's just a beer, but I'm feeling pretty warm.
Indeed. Well, could be not this one, but two fake fireplaces. This one actually has a heater that's not on, but the brain, the power of suggestion.
Seems to be working.
Yeah.
Or it's this Imperial Porter reinforced with whiskey. Either way.
I'm merry as f***.
Cheers.
Cheers.